Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I joined first and right now.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm pretty sure the test is going to be
Sir,
way
how do you always join first, sir? Like I don't get it. Everyone has to
You only
join the
made
same.
start the meeting. Though. What do you mean, sir?
Alright.
No, I thought learning room. I thought like there is separate
when
learning
the
room will
program
start it and
to,
then
like,
go.
record the video or like that, then only learning room will record the video or join before sir and then
Okay, so
Sir, it's
which
a
chapters are there in your test?
the rational number.
So rational and
rational
irrational
number.
numbers,
Hey, wait, I'm
expansions,
telling
factorizations, histograms, and what's another chapter?
this is why I'm telling. The rational number, expansion, factorization, histogram, that's it.
There's
Oh.
one more. There's 5 chapters.
Simultaneous
one
linear
second.
equation.
Yeah,
Okay.
see?
You don't talk, you didn't know it. I'm bored of you.
Second, sir, I'll drink water
My
and
next
come.
question is yes, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, actually, the simultaneous linear equations you taught were like very graphical, sir. But the one our teacher taught were substitution, expansion,
That is correct.
cancel. Yeah, that one. Substitution, like the what is that? Cancel, elimination, and cross multiplication.
Indices is also there.
No, sir. That's a page relief, sir.
Third term, sir.
Algorithms are there.
There is
No,
third
sir. No, sir.
term, sir. Third term.
Third term, sir.
You have to wait a long time for that one.
So rational numbers, expansion, factorization, linear equation.
Sir, rational and irrational numbers, most likely our teacher is gonna ask more questions on thirds way, sir, like the rational.
No, they will ask more questions factor and expansion.
Okay, fine.
No. If no, like I'm telling in the rational and irrational numbers, they'll give more on thirds. In rational and
Understood.
irrational.
Oh. Yeah, we only learn search like things. Rational relation number, we only learn what it was in school.
No, we learn number lines also. Parsing or number.
We did.
We did that in like
No, my
first
class
class.
was a book, ma'am.
Yes, sir. We can start, sir.
So when is
we'll-
the
Yeah.
so when is the 2-hour session class?
Before the math exam.
21.
Before
I
the
think.
math exam, sir.
21.
Math exam is
So
coming
luckily
like on
we
Monday.
have. That is
Mhm.
physics, that is physics. That's a physics.
Like, is it coming
Yes,
on
it's
any
on
other Monday?
21 only.
See,
No, on
22 is
on
exam.
Friday.
Before that day, we will have like a question or doubt session like that. It's like for every exam.
On
Before the
Friday
day
we
of
have a
the exam,
physics
we will have-
physics class. 2 hours
Yes.
physics class.
Yeah, for every.
Today we'll revise factorization. Okay,
Oh my god. Sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh. So see, I'll try to bring major things which are done in the chapter, and then that will help in revising. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So first thing is so methods of factorization. Do you know how many methods of factorization are there?
Three.
Yes, sir. Quadratic
Quadratic
polynomial,
equation,
a cube
polynomial.
plus b cube, and what is this?
A square plus b square.
Split the middle term. Split the middle term.
Taking common.
Split the middle term. And
That is
common
only
factor.
quadratic polynomial,
Yeah.
da.
Quadratic
A minus b sorry, a square minus b square.
A square minus B. Oh.
So this
Yeah,
is
yes.
only like two methods. Use
No,
formula.
sir. So,
no,
what
three.
can I say?
Sir, wait, I'll say
Okay.
Sankalp, wait. Sir, one
So
is
see.
taking out the common term, one is
Mhm.
using the formulas, and one is
Mhm.
quadratic polynomial.
Split
Okay.
the middle term. Split the
That's
There's
middle
only
term.
quadratic
polynomial,
polynomial.
da.
No, you can
Okay.
do like
So
you can
see.
get this.
No, quadratic polynomial.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir,
Fine.
continue.
Fine. Let's see. So number one is taking
Common.
out common factors.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means if I have, let's say, 4a square b plus 6ab square, what common terms can I take?
2ab.
Sir,
2ab.
2ab.
Very good. So that means it becomes 2a plus 3b.
3b.
So this method is called as taking out common factors. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is second method also, which is called as grouping.
Yes, sir. Like we
Yeah.
group few like something
Oh my
some.
God. Who would have thought we could
Yeah, I was just telling the.
So
You
whichever
didn't say
terms, like whichever terms can be treated as common, we do that. So for example, ax plus bx
That's a big
plus
X.
bc plus ca. So which terms can I group?
the A
Sir,
and B,
Sir,
BC and
AX.
C and then BS, AX and CA.
Sir,
Maybe. You can do so many things.
BC, BX,
we can do
So there,
AX,
there
and
are many
CA.
pairs.
I
There
will
are many
AX
So
one
one
and
pairs.
and
B, BX
One
and
of
C.
the
1 and 4,
one
2
of
and
the
3.
methods is one of the methods is this. One of the methods is this. So here I can group these two, taking out x as common, which becomes a plus b. Here
This
I
comes
can
under
group
first one, right?
c,
Then you
B
can
as
do
b
A
plus
plus
common
a.
and
or
B
B plus
plus
A.
A.
Understandable?
Yes,
Yes,
This
sir.
is
And then
second
it's x
method.
plus c. This is
Hey,
x
you
plus
don't need to
c
say that,
into
huh?
a plus b.
It's an example.
Sure,
It's
sure.
correct. What is this correct?
I know it's
So
an
you can
example.
also take it like AX and CA, sir.
Yes,
I know,
da.
right?
Yes,
Then
yes,
you get
yes,
the same
yes. Of course. Then now we see the third type. The third type is like this. Splitting the middle term.
the same thing for quadratic one.
Yeah. So this is very specific and it is done for quadratic polynomials. So
And
for example, if I have x square plus 5x plus 6, how do I split the middle term?
so 6 minus
So
1.
6x
the
minus
6 minus
x.
1.
6x. No, minus. Oh, wait, what?
No, 6x plus
1 second.
6x
Sir,
Think.
minus 1
Think.
extra.
Wait.
6x
Think.
minus x. No, 6x minus x. I lost my answer.
Yeah.
I can do it.
No, that's wrong.
I wait.
So you can't, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir, you
1
can't.
second, sir. I'll do.
I think. No, 2 and 3,
sir,
sir.
simple.
2x plus
Sir,
3x, my bad.
simple, sir.
2x
Sir,
plus
the
3x.
sum should,
Yeah,
sir,
right.
the
I
sum should
Yeah.
be the multiples of coefficient of the last term and
Nobody
first term,
asked
and the
me,
sum
no.
should be of
Nobody asked
right.
that. I
Right,
asked
right.
the
So
back.
what you have to do is you take the product of the leading coefficient. Here it is 1 and here it is 6. So 1 into 6 is 6. So you factorize it, you write it, and you see that 6 is written as 2 into 3. Now 5 has to be added or subtracted. I mean 5 has to be written as either sum of two terms or sum of two negative terms or sum of two positive and negative terms such that their product is 6 into
Equal
1.
to the middle term.
Okay. Yeah.
No,
So
sir.
here it becomes 3x plus 2x
So I got
plus
the answer. X plus 2, x minus. I
because
mean, x plus 2, x plus 3.
3x plus 2x is 5x
Yes.
and 3x into 2x is 6x square. So both are balanced. Now we take x into x plus 3 plus 2 common from this part, which is x plus 3. Now from all of them, we take common as x plus 3. which becomes x plus 3 into x plus 2. Right? This is the third way calling as splitting the middle term. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see the fourth term, the fourth method.
Cube. Cube.
The fourth method is difference of two squares.
Oh, yes, come and see.
Yes, so it is actually, very notorious. Generally it's like if two terms are given to you as x square minus y square, you write this as x plus y into x minus y. But this is notorious because the things will not be so simple. You need to identify where x is, what is playing the role of x, what is playing the role of y. For example, in the case of this question where you have 9 into x minus y square,
So we can take 9, 3 cubes or 3 squares.
let me complete the question, no?
Sorry, sir.
Minus x plus 2y whole square. So do you think that we can apply this here?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
Right?
No, sir.
you can,
So,
sir.
or rather,
Yeah, you can.
let's write
Yeah,
it in
man,
this
you
way.
can.
9 into a minus b whole square minus a plus 2b whole square.
We can, sir.
So
Okay.
we are 3 into a minus b whole.
Yeah. So what do? We write it like this is 3 of a minus b whole square
Yes, sir.
minus a plus 2b whole square. If I bring in the 3, it becomes 3a minus
3a
3b whole
minus
square
3b whole square minus a
minus
plus
a plus
2b square.
2b whole square. Right? Now this is playing the role of x and this is playing the role of y.
Right.
So here that's what we need to identify, what is playing the role of x, what is playing the role of y, which now we can write as x plus y,
3a
that
minus
means
3
3a
3a
minus
minus
3b
3b
plus
plus
a plus
plus
2b
a plus 2b minus 3a minus 3b minus a plus 2b. Sorry, a minus 2b. A minus 2b. Sorry, sorry.
a plus
That's
2b.
4a minus
so,
b
so 4a minus b
4a minus
plus
and
b
2a
2a
minus
minus
4b.
minus
2a minus
5b.
5b.
Oh, yeah, 5b.
okay, understandable.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see the next method. The next method is
Can we
Cube.
take 2a
A
minus?
cube
So,
plus b
can you
cube.
go to the previous question for a second?
yeah, sure.
Can we take 2a minus b as a common factor and then like factorize it?
You get marks, but still, yes.
How do you take common?
How can you?
I'm
The
asking
2b
if
is
you
there.
can.
In which expression? In the last expression.
Last one, sir. We again take 2a minus b as a common factor. Can you do it like that?
Where? Here or somewhere else?
Yes, sir.
Final one,
In
sir.
that
Yes, sir.
same
That one is-
equation, can we
Hmm.
take 2a minus b as a common factor because it's there in the both of them? And can we do it?
No.
Okay.
That's not how it works.
Shankar does
So
not
what is he
understand the
saying?
question.
I don't get
See
it.
that 4a
No,
minus
like
4b,
take out the
2a minus 5b.
Let's
In that, what is common? Minus b
see.
is
We
common.
can't take that as common because to take common,
how can you?
there is a simple thing. There is a simple thing. If you want to take common, you see that the equation is balanced or not. You multiply again. Are you getting the same equation? So that's a quick check. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see the next method. The next method is sum or difference of
Q.
cubes.
Yes.
Okay. So if you realize this is utilized like this. So either you will have x cube plus y cube, or you will have x cube minus y cube. So what is x cube plus y
So
cube?
X plus
square
y
minus
into x
plus
square
into y
minus
square,
xy
right?
plus
Telling
y
Vivek,
square.
contra substation.
So x plus y, x square minus
X
xy.
square plus what? Oh yeah.
You
Oh,
need
yeah.
a book
Comes
for
out
that,
of middle
right,
of
Pankaj?
nowhere and
Right, no?
yes.
Is that fine? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about x
Standard,
cube
sir.
minus y
X
cube?
minus y, x
X
square
minus
plus
y
xy plus
and the
y
rest
square.
with positive terms.
Everything is positive.
Okay,
Square plus y
very
square.
good.
I mean xy plus
Squares.
y square.
So
Right.
x square.
Plus x
So x
square.
square.
It's x square.
Yeah, x square. Sorry.
It's x square.
Sorry, I was having my mic unmute.
Oh,
How did you
okay.
not notice it?
But see, okay, fine. So again, here also we need to be very, very careful where to apply it. For example, if you have an expression of the form 2a raised to the power 7 minus 128a, can we apply this fifth method?
No,
So
no,
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 we
no.
can't apply to it
Okay.
directly.
So I just
But
have a small doubt,
let's
sir.
see. Yeah.
So can we write x cube plus y cube as x square plus y square whole into x minus x xy plus x so plus y?
Simple, you write it. Let's say you are getting x square plus y square into, what are you telling? X minus
X minus xy
plus
minus
y.
y plus y plus y,
Okay,
yeah, plus y, sorry, plus y.
plus y. So if you want to check, you just open the expression, okay, and see whether it is coming or not.
2a is common, so is that okay?
So x square becomes x cube, x square into x. This multiplied by this
X cube
minus
y.
x square y, x cube y, yeah,
X cube.
plus x square y plus xy square minus xy cube plus y cube. So are they
X cube doesn't
cancelling?
come up correctly.
So these terms are
No.
not cancelling each other. They are not equal to x cube plus y cube. So we can't write x cube plus y cube like this. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So coming to the example, the question was whether we can apply this fifth method to
No, sir.
Yes, sir, you
our.
can, sir.
No.
You
We
can.
can.
You
We
can.
can.
Elbows
So
okay.
how to do? First we take out the common terms.
2a.
2a. This is
Let's
a
finish
power
the.
6
Oh yeah, I
minus
should.
I
64.
finished the question.
Right?
64.
Very good.
Then
Very good.
you will make it as
Now here a square whole cube
Is
minus.
say
Sir,
if
can't we
we
take the cube out because it'll be easier? We can use a square minus b square formula. No.
Yeah, both ways. But I want you to see the fifth method for this. You can utilize a square minus b
Yeah,
square
because
also.
it's easier.
In that also you will have one expression of the cubes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, but it's easier, right?
like you
You
know
The
should
like
do
formula is
then.
easier.
Both
how
both
is it
ways are
easier? No,
same.
you'll have another minus 2
Okay.
AB, right?
So here a square is playing the role of x and 4 is playing the role of y. So what is x cube minus y cube? 2a into a square
2A
minus 4
is what?
Oh, I didn't do that.
into
You
into
can write
x
a raised to
square
4, a raised to 4
to the 4 plus
minus
xy
4a square.
plus 4
Plus
a
y
I
square,
will
plus
my
write
bad.
like
y
this.
square 16.
Plus
No
16.
problem. Now this a square minus 4 can again be utilized, no?
So a square minus 2 square.
A square
A
minus
plus
2 square, which is a
a minus
minus
2
2
into
minus 2
a
and then
a plus 2 into a4 plus 4a square plus 16. Correct?
So
square.
I got a different answer.
Okay, what is it?
Oh wait, I can multiply it. So I got 2a. First I took 2a as common. Then I got
Okay,
a power 6 minus 64. And then
okay,
you made the 6 like took a power 2 and then whole cube, right? Sir? I didn't do like that. I split that a power 6 minus 64 into 2 like a cube plus 8 and then a cube minus 8. To be a
okay.
cube plus cube. And then I got
Mhm.
two cube, see, two cube expressions. So when uh, the final answer I got 2a plus 2, a square minus 2a plus 4, and then a minus 2, a square plus 2a plus 4.
Very good. So what happened in your expression, the quadratic term which you are getting, their product is this thing.
Yeah, oh my God. I didn't know.
Okay. Yeah. So that's the only difference.
Basically
Actually,
expanded.
So that is still
ideally,
correct, sir.
yeah, right.
Can I leave it like that or should I write like this, sir?
You can leave it like that also.
Okay. I'm just asking.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's see the next one. So they are the major 5 techniques. So how many factorization techniques are there?
5.
Very good.
So this is the answer 2a into a minus 2 into a plus 2 into a to the power
Uncle is
4
starting
plus
the
4
turn
a.
into Tarun.
Wait, is this the answer?
That's
Which
luck
one?
you got the Tarun. And then Tarun is
Wait, I got it. Okay.
I know you didn't even write it, Rasankar.
Okay. So let's see. So I'll give you now a few questions. Okay. Let's see.
Yes. Tough one. Right? So I hope they give a lot of questions in histogram. So
Sir,
it's like
sir, I
3
have
marks.
a doubt in this sum. So this
Yeah.
sum,
Okay.
this sum our ma'am gave us to solve as assignment for this revision for the exam.
Okay.
No, that was last.
This sum I didn't do. I asked my brother, my
Bruh.
elder
How
brother.
do you ask a second standard year old brother, da?
Sir, his brother is in
Yeah,
second
did you
standard,
ask?
sir.
Not my younger brother, my elder brother. You know,
You
Aditya.
only
What?
have one
Since
brother,
when did
da.
you have an elder brother?
Only one brother.
Hey,
Cousin, bro.
sir, my elder brother, my cousin elder brother, he solved
Okay.
something he solved something with some higher tables and I didn't understand anything what he did.
Oh,
Okay.
a power 6 minus something
I
power 6.
just, sir, one sec, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, I
Eh,
think
eh,
sir, I sent the question in the chat. And
Now
Okay.
I know how you are passing the worksheets.
no, I asked this after I submitted.
Shut up, da.
Sir,
Come to the point. Yeah.
I don't know how
we
he
don't want
solved
to
it.
hear your life story.
He used something like
Send.
table equals a square minus 2a. I understood anything, but could you solve this sum?
Shall we do first our questions?
Sir, at the
So
last,
this
can you
looks
solve
easy,
this?
sir.
Yeah, we'll take up. Don't worry.
We can take a comment. Let's move.
So,
Yes, sir, you can continue, sir.
So Tarun is making his brother do all his projects and math assignments.
Sir, this is so
Interesting.
easy. What is the question that I'll ask Tarun?
Sir didn't even finish
okay.
the question.
So see,
Oh,
this is the first
what?
question. You need to factorize this expression. See which of the 5 techniques can be utilized.
Oh, okay.
Second, the come up.
Easy.
Oh, I found it. Just a minute.
Sir,
Maybe
can
I
we
didn't.
answer? Sir,
He said no right in your face. Sir. What do you mean, bro?
Try it out. Try it out.
Wait a
My
minute.
next
No way. It's not working, sir.
Your brain.
No. That's
It's not.
no, it's
Bruh,
working.
I'm almost done with the answer.
Mhm.
Almost. Amazing. What is this? Wait, I'm being too impatient. I'll be quiet for the
So
next 3 hours.
focus nicely. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Instead of reducing your energy, you can think over the question. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Only answer, sir. Okay, sir, it's not that.
I am here.
Oh, yes, sir. So I finished, sir.
What it is?
I got a plus 2. Wait, what? A plus 2b, a square plus ab, plus b square.
Oh,
1 second, sir.
Sir, I did it like, I mean, can I do like this, sir? There is 3a square b, right, sir? Can I like take one a square b out, sir? Like,
okay.
you know the
If you
sum of 3a square b plus a square b is 3. See, 2a square b plus a square b is 3a square b, right, sir?
okay.
Can I subdivide it like that and then do it?
So you have to have the b in denominator.
Denominators. What?
What are you
I don't
taking
understand.
common? What are you
No,
taking common?
I'm not taking common, sir. Like, you know,
Mhm.
2a square b plus a square b is 3a square b.
Okay.
Like that. So 3a square b is also equal to 2a square b plus a square b. Like
Okay.
that, I can abbreviate it and then take the common out and do whatever I want, right, sir? Like that.
Yeah. Of course.
Oh,
Of course. Hmm. So 3 units of a square b is 2 units plus 1 unit. That's not a problem.
yes. It's not allowed.
So did you do with that thing?
So I did it that one, sir.
Okay. Mhm.
Long did I take that? I thought
Dave, you don't even know if your answer is correct. Okay, wait.
but it's not about the, okay, it's about the answer. Okay, I take that.
It is about the answer.
Okay, so how to do it?
I got a plus b into a square plus 3b square.
What? What did you?
Okay.
What did you get? What did you get?
A plus
Okay.
b into a square plus 3b square.
Okay, nice.
Okay. Anybody
Let me just.
else?
I already told you the answer. I already told what I got.
All right. So
Should I-
if you recall, then we have something very similar. If 2 is not present here, then a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube has an expression, right? Only 2
Yes,
is
sir.
creating a problem. So
A plus
we
B.
do in this way. B cube plus b cube. Okay. The
So
first four, the first four expressions give me what?
A plus B whole cube.
A plus
Plus
b
B
whole
whole
cube
cube.
Whole
Whole
cube.
cube.
Plus
plus
B cube.
b cube. So what do I have? X cube plus b cube type of thing.
Oh.
This is x and this is y.
Oh my god.
So a plus b is x and b is y. So how do you write x cube plus y cube?
So A plus B plus
X
Y
plus y
Plus Y
into
to X
x
square
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 minus
minus
x
X
square
Y
Y
plus
plus
Y
B square
plus
square.
y square.
or Y square.
So
Okay.
what is x? X is a
A
plus
plus B
b
A
plus
plus
what
b
plus
is
Y
y?
or B.
plus
Okay.
X square a plus b whole square minus plus b into b plus y square, that is b square. So this is a plus 2b, and now inside the bracket we open. This
Square
is
plus
a
B square plus
square
2A.
plus b square plus
b
2ab.
square plus 2ab
This
minus
is minus
A
ab minus
square
b.
AB.
b square plus b square.
So
Oh, yes.
b
Okay.
square
B
cancels.
Wait a minute. What happened to that B, sir?
Sir, 1 minus ab and plus 2ab will become 1 plus ab, right, sir?
Just a
No,
second.
they'll
Is
become
it
normal
okay,
AB
no?
plus AB. That's it. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, it will become
Yeah.
plus ab.
I got the
So
correct
a
answer.
plus 2b into a square plus b square
Plus
plus
2AB.
2
ab.
plus ab.
2
Right. Very
AB.
good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got the answer.
Okay. Understandable, everybody?
Sir.
Let's try one more question.
Sir. 1 second, I'll just finish this. I'm on the last step. Done, sir.
All right. Let's see. So factorize a cube minus 27b cube plus 2a square b minus 6a b square. Try it. Don't use any Google or anything. Try on your own.
Yes, sir.
I think I'm done, sir.
1 second, sir. I'm almost done.
Mhm.
Sir, finished.
Okay, all right.
So 1 second, sir.
So what are you getting?
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Nitish, you're on
So
mute.
I got A minus 3B in the
Nitish,
bracket.
you're on mute. Nitish.
Muted, bruh. I told you.
I got A minus 3B in the bracket, and on another bracket, I got A square plus 5AB plus 9B square.
Sir, same, sir.
Okay, let's see.
Same.
So this is equal to a cube minus 3b whole cube plus
Yeah, done, sir.
2 square b minus 6ab square. So we apply a cube minus x cube minus y cube thing on the first two terms. It gives a minus 3b, then a square
Plus
plus
B. No, A
3ab
3AB plus B
plus
9B square. 9B
9b
square.
square. Very good.
And then
Now
you can take
this
2AB, sir.
expression a minus 3b should give a hint to take a common factor, which is 2ab.
2AB. 2AB you can
So
take.
a minus
A minus 3.
3b.
Yes.
And then you can take A minus
Yes,
3B out,
sir.
and then
Now
B
from the whole expression, we take a minus 3b out.
that
This is a minus 3b.
A square plus
Then
5AB
a square plus 3ab plus 9b square
plus
plus
2AB.
2ab.
And
Very
then
good.
like
Then you
term,
add
so
3AB
5AB.
and
Yes,
2AB.
I got it correct.
Very good. Very nice.
I got the first. I got the whole
So
world.
3ab plus 9b square. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see one more question.
His brain is not working like a joke.
Sir, you didn't add the plus 2AB.
Where?
Yeah, he wrote 5.
Oh, the
Three or
plus
3AB,
two
sir.
AB.
Oh,
5AB.
okay, okay. Yeah. Sorry.
Pongu's brain is not
No
working
problem,
like
sir.
a joke there.
5ab. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So factorize
Next question, sir.
12
So I
into
did it
3.
slightly differently, sir. So
Okay.
like I did since we have a minus 3b is common term, right? So I just added a square plus 3ab plus 9b square plus 2ab into that thing. Like we did it like we do in quadratic polynomials.
That's so difficult.
That's what we did, no?
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So
So
12
one doubt,
into,
sir. One doubt, sir.
yeah, 10.
Hey, you wrote the question and then
In the
asked
previous one.
Sir, can you
Sir,
just give
how
the
did you
question?
get
And
how did you give plus 2ab into a minus 3b, sir?
You took
So
the 2AB.
grouping. So
common term.
that's called as taking out the common factor.
Okay, sorry.
Come on, Palkaj.
How did you solve it if you didn't know what that?
12
Didn't
into
solve it.
3x
He didn't,
minus 2y whole square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1.
Oh,
E.
Okay. Try it.
Yes.
oh wow.
We did a
Now I get
very,
it.
very
Oh,
similar
oh
sum
my
in school
God.
yesterday.
my
Yes,
God.
sir.
See who gets it. Let's see who gets it first.
I have no idea. I have no idea we did
Now
this.
Utsav gave up.
No, not
Hey,
like I can't solve this sum. I had no idea we did this sum on the school.
no, we did very similar question in class.
No, it's different. It's not same. It's not
Try
same.
it. Try it. Try it.
Similar, I said. Yes, sir. I'm done.
That's
Hey, wait. So, I'm not done. I
I
quite
only
got
said
one.
I'm done, da.
hey,
What for
why
that?
you want a Sankal?
Bro.
I am done too, sir.
Okay.
I'm done 3.
You already done, right? You were the first one to do that. What do you mean? You are done one.
Done first.
Hey,
Who?
three da, Tarun. Three da. That Kongwell is just telling something. Why you also listening to him now?
Okay.
It's actually not
Let's
a
see.
scripted
Don't
answer.
do it, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
No, I didn't eat my lunch yet, so.
Lunch,
Eat
why
your
da?
lunch.
Hey, my parents went out for mall and then they forgot about me.
No way.
Actually, I have to finish this class and then only go eat lunch. And then
I'm almost done.
Then what did you do in school, da? You ate lunch in school, no?
hey, it was
Hey,
three dosas, da.
Hey, dosa master.
What did I do?
sir, our school is very weird, sir. We have lunch break at 11 o'clock.
Done, sir. Done.
11 o'clock.
I
Okay.
think that's how most schools do. Most schools.
No, my
Done.
old school, no, we
Hey,
used to eat
Chennai,
lunch at
we have
school.
2 breaks, sir. We have 2
Hey,
breaks in our old
Nitish, what did you do there? Nitish, what did you do there? What method did you use? Don't tell the answer. What method
Quadratic,
did you use?
quadratic polynomial.
No, you can't use
Okay, yeah,
quadratic
okay.
polynomial, da. You can't use quadratic polynomial.
You can.
Did you
Hey.
did you use split
Oh
the
yeah, you can
did you
take
use
negative
split the middle term? Did you use
No,
split
I
the
didn't.
middle term?
I didn't use split.
Okay. Let's see.
Same. Yes, sir.
So let 3x minus 2y equal to some number. Let's call it t.
A.
So
What
this
T
becomes,
Just random letters,
expression
sir.
become 12t square minus t
T.
minus 1,
-1. Let's go. I got.
right?
Okay, I got it.
So this becomes a
Yes.
quadratic expression, and we can do it in the form of 12t square. So I need to see what is the product. Product is minus
4 and 3,
12t
sir.
square, right? So
Minus 4 and
minus,
plus 3.
-4
yeah.
and plus
So
3.
how do I do balance it? So this is 3t
Minus
minus 4t
minus
-4t
minus 1,
minus 1. I didn't do
right?
so. I think my
So
answer is
this
wrong.
becomes, I now take the common terms. 3t is 4 into t plus 1 minus 1 taking common means 4 into t plus 1.
4 into t plus 1.
Now taking 4t plus 1 common,
My
making
stomach.
it 4t plus 1 into 3t minus 1.
3t minus 1.
And
Yes,
now
sir.
putting back the value of
Equal to
t, so 4 into 3x minus 2y plus 1,
That's 12x minus
3 into,
8y
3x
plus 1.
2y minus 1.
I
right.
didn't do so.
So this is
Yes,
12x
this
L.
entire question is wrong.
minus 8y plus 1, 9x minus 6y minus 1.
6y
Sir, can you,
minus
for
1.
my
Yes.
reference alone, multiply these both also, sir?
For
Which
what?
one?
You do it on your own.
Multiply these both because that's what I got, sir. I multiply. I got the
See,
final
when we,
answer, sir.
the meaning of factorize, no? Factorize means you need to write it as a product of very simple terms. Okay. They are simple terms. When you multiply, you would get x square, y square, xy, and all that. So this should be the answer. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
can you look at my book, sir?
Sir,
This is what I got, sir. 108 square minus 144 xy. I
But
got
this is still, I understand your point, but this is still an expression which can be written in a more simpler way, right?
yes.
So which one is simpler? Is the product of like this or your expression?
So this.
No, sir, he's telling for cross checking you have to multiply, right? So he cross checked it and multiplied it and he got it wrong.
No, 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 no. I didn't do like this at all, sir. I didn't do like this at all.
No problem. That's what. So when you get the expression, you have to further reduce it to lower terms. That's why we do factorization. Otherwise, we can leave it as well like here. What is the issue? Right now?
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
I did like 3x minus 2y whole square is the formula, so I abbreviated and multiplied everything. That's it.
Yeah, good. If you don't understand anything, multiply everything and leave. But that will not be the right approach. Okay. Now see, I'll tell you a very important thing. Everybody listen. Whenever an expression is given to factorize, no, the initial steps are hidden in the question. You just have to see it carefully. In this expression, what terms are repeated? Bx is repeated, 2y is repeated, right? So in mind, automatically the connection should happen and it should prompt you to utilize these common factors. Okay. Questions
yes.
of factorization are always like this. The answer is hidden in the question itself. Okay. So some pattern in the powers or some pattern in the expression. So mostly the numbers which come into the factorization are of this form. So like 8, 4, 16, 64, like that. They are
But the
cubes and
question is
squares.
also a form of an answer.
Yeah, 27. So most often the factorization has these numbers in their question. Sometimes. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. This one. So
Sir, they usually have proper squares and proper cubes.
yeah, right.
Or fours, or fives, or six. You never know.
No, like that's too complicated.
So
Why
ax
are you
plus
studying?
by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. Try this.
Mm,
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh, suddenly everything went black.
yeah,
yeah,
to me
exactly.
also.
Suddenly, like it said connection lost or
Video
something.
connection interrupt.
I thought someone hacked me for a second.
Sir, done, sir.
Done, sir.
What are you
Let's go.
getting?
I'm first. Sir, I got x
Okay.
I
square
did
plus y
first.
square into
Hey, Kongu,
a plus
shut up,
b.
Sankar, shut up. Sankar, Kongu, you tell down.
I'm not sure if I'm complete, but I got ax whole square plus by whole square. Oh wait, now mind, sir. I can
Can I say?
further
Can I say? Can
simplify
I
it.
say?
Yeah, Sankar, the same.
Oh, I
Kongu,
heard, I heard, I heard you.
Oh,
tell them.
okay.
I didn't hear him, sir. Sankar, can you tell him?
Sir, it is x square plus y square into a plus b, sir.
Sir, I got different answers, sir.
Mm-hmm. What it is?
Got
Sir,
x
I
square plus
got,
y square, a
sir,
square
I
plus
got
b
A.
square.
Dave,
Who is
wait,
spelling
he's
that
telling
down?
no.
What did you tell? What did you tell?
Square into a square plus b square.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
I
let's
got A
see.
square. I got A square plus B square into X square minus Y square. So X square plus Y
Minus,
square. Plus.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what it is.
So can I just finish my answer? To 1 second, I'll just do it.
Sure.
Okay, sir, I'm done with my answer. It's a square plus b square into x square plus y square.
Let's see.
That's my
So
answer.
we open squares because neither we can take anything common nor there is any expression of s
Oh
square
yeah,
plus
yes, sir.
something.
Sir, I changed my answer to x square
No, you
plus
So
y
can't.
square into a
You
ax
plus
Everyone
can't.
said
whole
their answer.
square
Sankar
Sorry, sir.
failed, sir. Sankar
plus
failed the test.
2ax by plus
Yes, sir.
by
I
whole
changed my
square
answer. Changed my
No, you
answer.
can't. I'll.
plus
Yes, I can.
bx whole square minus 2bx ay plus ay whole square. Okay, so this becomes a square x square. This becomes 2abxy. This becomes b square y square. This is b square x square minus 2abxy plus a square y square. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
these terms are cancelled. We
Then we
group
group it.
this with
Let's
this
go.
because they
Hey,
are
Pankaj, you didn't talk.
similar.
You got the
Hey,
answer.
Poda, you
A
got it
square
wrong.
x square plus b square x.
Hey, I was in last
Then
second
we
correction.
group this one and this one.
That means I
B
know the answer.
square y square plus
Yes,
a
sir.
square y square. Then we take common from the first term.
And last term.
Square.
So this
I took it
becomes x
100%.
square, a square plus b square, and then
And
y
then y
square as
square.
common,
A square
b square plus a
or
square.
A square.
And then we take
Now
it
a
common.
square plus b square and b square plus a square are the same
Take
terms.
common. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So we can
sir.
take common as a square plus b square
Let's go.
into x square plus y square.
So I got the
Hey.
answer correct and first.
Right? Understandable?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait, I got it right.
Hey,
Very
Oh,
good.
what
yeah.
a
Poda.
Sir, sir,
I
sir,
got the answer
I
first.
told, sir, I changed my answer even before you started solving, sir. You were in the first step.
Fine.
No
Hey,
problem.
but
I
I
understood.
said the correct answer first. That means.
Maybe some mistakes are there, but it's fine. At least you are getting the procedure. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. It's one of the 100 questions that sir gave.
So we have one remark. Okay. I want to tell you one very important thing. In factorization, what is the standard protocol? Okay. See, whenever we write any expression is basically sum of two terms or product
Division.
of two terms, right?
Yes, sir.
Most often, these are the two ways in which you have written, either combination of them or simply like that.
Minus
The thing is,
Nitish, shush.
the letters A, B, C and the letters X, Y, Z, ABC comes first. That means they are written on the LHS side, left hand side of the expression. XYZ, they come last and they are written on the right hand side of the expression. For example, you would have heard, you would have seen that you write 2AX, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So numbers and ABC, they both come first on the left hand side. You don't write it as, although they are same, but we do not write it as x into 2a. Okay, this way is generally written, right?
So ABC is the MHS side, middle hand side.
Technically, both of them are same, x into 2 into a or 2 into a into x. But this is the standard way of writing.
There's no middle hand for that to be a side.
Yeah.
MHS, sir.
Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right then. So see you tomorrow. All the best.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Finally, lunch
sir.
is waiting for me.